Guy told me one time, don't let yourself get attached to anything you are not willing to walk out on in 30 seconds flat if you feel the heat around the corner.
So you never wanted a regular type life?
The fuck is that? Barbecues and ball games?
Yeah.
I do what I do best. I take scores. You do what you do best. Trying to stop guys like me.
The bank is worth the risk. I need it, brother. That's where I come in.
Assume they got our phones, assume they got our houses, assume they got us right here, right now, as we sit. Everything, assume it all.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm talking to a dead man on the other end of this fucking line.
What the hell happens to Van Zandt on 750?
So with the heat we got, you want to play World War II in the streets with Van Zandt?
I roll with you, Neil, whatever.
You know, my life's a disaster because I spend all my time chasing guys like you around the block. That's my life. You do what you do, I do what I gotta do.
Where are you?
There's cops all over me, man. They're on me like a cheap suit.
If it's between you and some poor bastard whose wife you're gonna turn into a widow, brother, you are going down.
What if you do got me boxed in? Then I gotta put you down.